Hello students, how are you all? I hope all you are fine and well. Welcome to my environmental science class. Myself Shomiran sir. Today we will discuss part 3 of chapter number 27, Chuskit goes to school. So already I hope you have watched the last two video. In part 1 and part 2 we have covered almost half of the chapter. We have discussed about Chuskit and about her dreams, about Chuskit wheelchair. Okay, so in this video we will discuss the next half of the chapter, and after that in the fourth part we will conclude the entire chapter. So watch the video till the end, and at the end some questions are given as usual. So before solving those questions you have to watch the video once or twice. After that you can go through your textbook thoroughly, then you will try to write the answer. So in this video we will discuss that Chuskit dreams, how it comes true, and these dreams made successful by one of her friend Abdul, some other friend, as well as by her teacher. So let's see how Chuskit's dreams come true to go to school. A good idea. So in the previous video we have discussed that Abdul came to Chuskit's house with a letter, and he asked Chuskit that, do you want to go to school? Chuskit told, yes, I want, but it is not possible for me because I cannot walk, and with the help of the wheelchair it is not possible for me alone to go to the school because the road is uneven, not plain region, as well as there is some rocky path, some rivers on the path to the school. So it is not possible for me, and my father cannot take me every day to the school. Now Abdul is thinking how he can make Chuskit to go to school. So he got an idea. So what idea he got? Let's see. A good idea. Abdul went back from Chuskit's house, but he had started thinking of how to get Chuskit through school. So when Abdul returned back from Chuskit's house, he now started to think that I have promised Chuskit that I will help her to go to school. So how can I make this dream of Chuskit successful? How can I make him to go to school? He explained about Chuskit to the headmaster and talked to the teacher till they agreed with their thought. Now he had thought something. About his thought he shared with his headmaster in the school. Not only with his headmaster, he also talked with the other teachers that this is my idea. I want a lame girl Chuskit to come to school. So please help me. Now everyone got together to work so that Chuskit problem could be solved. Now all the teachers, some of the students or the children, Abdul, all they have started to work together. What work they want? What work they start to do together to solve Chuskit problem? So what is the work? They made a plan so that Chuskit could bring her wheelchair by road to school. So they have made one plan, and if the plan will be successful, then Chuskit can come to school on her wheelchair. Chuskit cannot walk. With the help of her hand, he can make the wheelchair move in front or back. But the problem is that the road is not level. It is an uneven road, a rocky path. So they will make a plan to level the road and make the road possible from Chuskit house to school, so that Chuskit can come to school on her wheelchair. They know it is not possible that from next day Chuskit can walk. They know that Chuskit have to come to school on her wheelchair. But how she can come alone with the help of wheelchair, that plan they want to make successful. For this, the uneven road had to be made level. So what they have to do, the first work is that, the first step of their work is they have to make the uneven road level. When some uneven places are there in front of our house or even the roads, first of all we are leveling the road. How you are leveling? Suppose some of the places there may be a hole or the place is dug, so we can put some mud or rock over that, okay, which is uneven land. In this process we can make them a level one. So they have started to make the uneven road a level one. One group of children started to level the road, another group worked to level the area near the river. Now they are divided into groups. The teacher, the children, they have formed different groups. Mainly the children are doing the work. One group, what they started to level the road with the help of the spade, okay, and the other machine hand equipments. They started to level the road. And another group, what they have done, they have gone to the river area, beside the river. And the river, beside the river also the land is not level. So they have started to level the land beside or near the river. But there is still a problem. How could Chuskit cross the river? The older children took help from the teacher to make a small bridge with wood across the river. Everyone happily worked hard. They want Chuskit to come to school. Now one group has started to level the land beside the river. But still a problem is there. With the wheelchair it is not possible to cross the river, because through the flowing water it is very difficult. With the help of the wheelchair, if we are walking, we can cross the river easily if the water is not much more. But with the help of wheelchair it is very difficult to cross the river. So what the older children, some of the children who are quite older of Chuskit age, what they have done, with the help of the teacher, because they are quite small, they cannot do it by their own without the help of the teacher. So the teacher helped them, but they have done the task. What they have done, with the help of the wood, they have made one bridge across the river. Now it is very easy for Chuskit to cross the river through the bridge. The bridge is a plain land. Over the bridge, on the bridge, or through the bridge, Chuskit can cross the river easily. They have already made the land level, as well as the river side also made a level land, and a bridge was also made. So all the children happily done this work. Why they have done so? Because they want to make a dream of a lame girl, Chuskit, successful. Chuskit's Ammale and Abbale got hot tea and biscuit to everyone. Now, when they are working, Chuskit, Ammale and Abbale, they have prepared some tiffin for them. Some hot tea and biscuit they are given, so that the children can will drink the tea and get some energy out to the work. Chuskit Memele, that is Chuskit grandfather, had tears in his eyes because he was sad, but because he was very happy. So Chuskit Memele's eyes are now full of tears. Why? Previously he was sad, but now these tears is not because he is sad, because he is happy, because her granddaughter can now go to school. Okay, and all the children helped her. They have made the way from Chuskit home to school, a level road and a wooden bridge. By the evening, the work was done. All the children were happy. The children were tired, but still they are happy because they are trying to make a dream success of a little girl. She is their friend. And so these types of work when we also do, we will also feel happy. Even you can also help any of your friend or any little children in this way. Maybe not in this way, in other way also you can help. If you have helped anyone, you can also share with us how you have helped, so that the other students or other friends, they will also get inspired and they will also help others. All the children were happy, but the happiest of all was Chuskit. His dream was about to come true. All the children were happy, but who is the most happiest one? Chuskit himself, because her dream was about to come true very soon. The road was made, and now Chuskit can go to school like the other children. She can also play, she can also read what they write, what they are, do the other activities, enjoy his time with the other friends. All these dreams will come true. Previously, only through the window she saw other children are going to school. But very soon she will also go to school. And today it was a special day. Chuskit was all ready. She was eager to go to school. So now the special day came that Chuskit was very happy. Why she was very happy? Because she was eager to go to school. You can see the picture on the screen also, how the students are working from Chuskit house way to the school. They are making the road level, as well as over the across the river they have made a bridge. The uneven roads were level and the path was made easier and level for Chuskit so that she can go to school. So what you have learned from there? We should help other who is physically challenged or disabled. Okay, so the happiness we will get from helping other is a important part of our life. We should be happy and we should make other happy. We should help other to make their dream successful. So over there you just see the picture, and the last one page of the chapter there are some questions which we will discuss in our part 4 of our video. Let us come to the next part, some important questions. So from this there are some important questions which you have to write it down in your class or copy. Not only the question, you have to write the answers too. Number 1. Why Memele had tears in his eyes? What is the main reason? Memele is the grandfather of Chuskit. Who gave hot tea and biscuit to Chuskit's friend? You have to mention. Number 3. Abdul took help from the teacher to make a dash across the river. Okay. So what Abdul took from the help of the teacher. Not only Abdul, the other friends also. Describe how did the children manage to bring Chuskit to school. The entire things what we have discussed in short, you have to write it down point wise, that how the children manage to bring Chuskit to school. And the last one, number 5, find out and write the names of any 2 famous person who, in spite of their physical problem, achieve a great success in life. So like Chuskit, there are several other person, maybe they are also famous person who become successful in life. Maybe they are physically challenged. So lots of people are there. you should find out and write down any 2 or 3 names, and which field they have succeeded you can also mention. So today's our discussion part is up to this much. Again we will meet with the next part and the last part of the chapter in our next video. So thank you everyone and have a nice day ahead.